Hey folks, this is Basant here. Today's video I'm going to talk about this new listed tool on the AppSumo, that is the Respona. If you are a blogger or the website owner, you know backlinks is a really important metric to improve your ranking on the Google and build the authority here. So creating the backlinks is the tedious task. You have to send out the outreaching messages, you have to do a lot of the things that is makes the advance for the getting the backlinks from your competitors or the same niche they kind of the article owners. Okay, so in this video we are going to try this AI tool that can automate this outreaching process here. So here is lifetime deal, and if I go till the end, we have the three tier plans available, and every tier plan give you the access of the email accounts you can connect to sending out the outreaching, and the limits of the contacts you can add for sending out. Okay, and I have just checked out this platform while experiencing up that I have found that connecting your email account for the outreaching is really easy, and all the email accounts that you have connected and going to use for the outreaching will be the show up in the inbox here, where you can just manage all of your chats in this single place. You don't have to just toggle with the different email accounts here. And then once you have connected your email account, let me show you first how you can connect them. We are going to go on the account section here, and here we will see the email accounts, and here you can see I have connected my one of email account. So let me show you how you can add that. Simply click here on the add email, and we have the three options available: Google, or we have the Microsoft, and the other provider, that is the SMTP way. So simply you have to add your email account here, and then your full name. Then after that you have to add your email username, SMTP username. So I am using the here Hostinger, so simply go to the Hostinger, and after that when I click here on the three dots, go to the settings. Okay, this is not, go to the here on the connect apps and devices. Yeah, here you can see I have the incoming server and the outgoing server. So simply connect here impphostinger.com. so you have to just change this domain or your provider name, and here you will get the IMAP or the SMTP servers. Then after that simply add it here, and then after that you have to add your email passwords. Okay, and this is the server port automatically be fetched here, and simply connect email. Your email will be the connected. That is so much easy. With the I think few clicks you can easily connect that. Once this thing is done, we can also go on the integrations. If we have the access to the HRFs or the SameRes or this mods, we can also connect it. I will talk about how this is going to help you out. So first, once our email is connected, we can go to the campaign section, and here we are going to launch our first campaign for the outreaching. So simply click here on the start new campaign, and after that you can see we have the some of the use case categories available. For this category I want to just do the content promotion, so I have the skyscraper technique, link insertion, and content syndication. So I think the link insertion technique is going to help me out here. So now it will ask me what the URL of the content, and this is the template it is going to automatically fill up once you are going to provide this information here. Okay, so let me got this link here. Okay, I am getting one of my blog post link here, just going to give you the demo. So I have pasted the URL of the content here. Then after it is asking what specific keywords are relevant for your content here. Okay, so I am going to get some of the relevant keywords here, okay, out of this article. So I am going to just give it fast here, like best client portal. Let me add. Second one is the, let me see, client and project management portal. Okay, so I am just added the two keywords, but you can add more here. Then what's your content general category? It's optional, so I'm going to skipping it. Describe what makes your content unique in this one or two ways. Okay, so this is the hands-on review. Okay, make sure you take your time to filling up this information. What incentives can you offer to return for referring your content? Link exchange. Okay, you can also offer the some monetary terms. So with this I have just filled up all the information in this template, and now you can see your best client portal article. Hey, first name, you briefly talked about best client portal in your article. We just released a comprehensive guide what makes a good addition, hands-on review on the step-by-step use this article. Okay, and I have just here offering the link exchange, so it is showing us here. Okay, so let me also add in exchange I am offering link exchange. Okay, so I have filled this up and this is mentioned here. Now I'm going to click here on the use this template. So with this, pretty much our this outreaching for the backlink is pretty much done. This is the day 1 and this is day 2. It is also going to offer sending off a follow-up email. Okay, I think that is pretty good. I can also add the new follow-up emails as well, so this makes really thing good because I don't have to go right now and check out whether I got the email or not, and if I haven't got, I need to manually send up the follow-up. But here I can also add the automation for the follow-up emails as well. I can change the day. I think the 8 days is pretty much long, so I will make it the around 5 days. Save. Okay, pretty much good. Now click here on the opportunities, and now it is going to research my keywords on the Google and the Google News. I can also go on the backlink search for the href, and I have the list I can import. So I will usually choose the Google. Click. Then it is asking me what is my minimum authority for the domain criteria. I want to add it here. For the most, it is the 20. I don't want more than the 2 spam score. Page authority should be around the 5. Actually good. In the SMRS and the HR, it is asking me to connect with them, so I will go with this one, that is the more suitable, that is the mods. Click here on the next, and then this is the things it has automatically filled up, so I'm not going to do anything. Like AI inspection, this is going to inspect any automatically. Unlock the AI inspection, put your AI inspection on autopilot. Okay, so this is something on the inspections things, and this is for the personalization, but it is asking me it is not available in their I have the tier 3 plan. Still I am not getting the access. I don't know why. I will talk to their team member and get to know why this is still locked here, but no worries, most of the things is unlocked here. So I will simply click here on the find opportunities. Now it is going to research the internet, find out all the possible articles where I can just offer the link in certain, and not only just it is going to find the website, but it will also find their owner's email address that we can use to outreach. So it is right now scraping the Google, and it can take some time, so we have to wait till then. Okay, almost around within the 10 to 15 seconds I am start getting the some of the websites here. You can see this is all the website it is start getting here, and I can just check out the few things. Like this is the article URL here, and some of the description it is showing me, and this is source, and it is now searching for the contacts. And now this is the metrics that is important for me, like the domain authority, page authority, and the domain spam score. So I can instantly see like some of the low domain score will be the good enough because they are new, and they can, I think, accept our offer for the link exchange. So I think I'm going to select few of them. Let's select this one, that is the domain authority of the 22. Okay, let's select the few more. 36. Basically I'm going for the less than 30, so less than 40 here. Okay, so once I have selected few of them, let me select this one as well. Okay, so I think I have selected 3 or 4 blogs here, and now what I can do, I can simply click here on the bulk contact finder, or let's see, blogs contact finder, run automation. Now it is going to start finding the contacts for the websites or the blog articles I have selected. And once I will found the contacts, you can see in the some of the I have also got the around the 23 contacts as well. So I have selected that, and still for some of them it is start finding out the contacts. Out of 4 here I got the 1 contact here, but here on the Google search it's automatically found out the 30 contacts as well. So I will wait till this process is done, or what I can do, I can simply let's select all of this, because for the sake of this demo I'm selecting all of it, but you can just manually pick as you like. Let's click here on the add new opportunities. Okay, still it is going to offer me new opportunities. Okay, so let's see what is the next step it is going to offer me. I need to wait until all this process is done 100%. Okay, so once the opportunity is found, you can see I found the 44 contacts. Okay, I can go to the next step. So let's go to the next step, and here it is just giving me the preview for my email that is going to send out on the day one. That is your best client portal article. It is going to show me some of the email addresses. Okay, I can select here. So it has selected all the email addresses from the article. It has automatically found. Okay, good. And if you want to preview, let's see, this is the preview. You can send attached email to your domain email here. Okay, then sender email signature, I'm going to add it. Okay, so this is the follow-up message, and you can manually check out for the every domain. You can see this is the new article Honeybook, and here you can also check it out for the especially personalized for the Honeybook URL. This is for the jet admin block, you can see here. So once manually checking out that you find it really good here, you can simply click here on the launch, and you can see this is the final preview. You can select the which day you want to send out. I will go for the default, but you can also add your manual timings. Okay, this is verify emails to make sure no contact in the 65 days. Advanced settings, basically this is, and open tracking, and simply click here on the verify opportunities. Now it is processing like the emails you are going to send out is actually the verified your email is going to land or not. So it is going to verify those. So all these emails websites I got the tick mark means their contact emails is the verified. Now click here on the launch verified opportunities, and now you can see my this backlink outreaching process or the campaign has started, and soon enough I am going to start getting the I think replies back if they are going to reply me. And if I am not going to reply any of the website in the 5 days, a follow-up message also sent. Might be possible out of the 45 website or the these 33 opportunities, I think I will able to get around the 10%. Might be possible. Okay, let's see. So this is how you can launch your campaign for the backlinks outreaching, and with this platform Respona, this makes really effortless and the easy here. This is what this tool is offering you, and I think if you are a blogger and the website owner or any kind of the website you are operating, building the backlinks is really important for the building authority on the Google. So if you want to check it out, this lifetime deal link is given in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more AI tools video for this AI week I have covered, just check out the description of this video. I have just mentioned all the tools, or you can just check out my channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.